In Activity 9.2, you'll be creating a flyer that looks something like this. The only real new thing is the page border, which I go into detail in another video on that. But this video, I'm just going to kind of go through, first of all, kind of the terminology so you understand the directions, and then just quickly review some of the things you'll be doing. So first of all, terminology. As you read the directions, you'll see it refer to something called the headline. The headline is the first line, and you'll also see the signature line, and this is your signature line. It is the last line. And typically your signature line is kind of a call to action, like in this case, call Jeremy at, or maybe something like don't miss out, sign up today, or something like that. So that's usually your last line. And then in between these headline, which is just kind of the main point, your title, and the signature line, you usually have what's called body copy or body text. And so that would be, oops, messed that up, there we go. That would be all of these bulleted points. And typically for a flyer, you would see bulleted points or very short text. You don't want a large paragraphs. People aren't going to take the time to read it. So reviewing some of the things that you'll be doing. For the headline, we're using one of the special text effects, and that is right up here in the font group. And for this one, we use this text effect. The picture, you just did that in the last activity, so you should know how to do that. We just go to Format. You're going to be choosing one of the picture styles. You're going to choose this frame. And then after you select that, then you'll come over here to the picture border colors, and you'll select the color for it. Moving down to the signature line, you're setting a background color for that. So remember the background colors are under the paragraph group. And right here is how you set the background color for that. And then the other thing that you haven't done for a while is setting the spacing in between the paragraphs. And you'll notice on this flyer, it takes up most of the page, but I've got some white space at the bottom. To fix that, I can add spacing throughout it. And to do that, I could, of course, hit Shift-Enter or something like that and put some space in. Or I can go to the Layout tab. And remember how we add spacing after paragraphs. So in this case, after the headline, I want to add some additional spacing. So there you go. I can shift that down a little bit. And same thing here. Maybe put a little bit of space before this paragraph to put some extra spacing before that in the picture. And there we go. That makes it look a little bit better. Spreads it out some, puts some extra space around the picture, and now it takes up the whole page. So those are some of the concepts you will be reviewing and using in this assignment.